Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Apple Watch effectively. First, personalize your device to fit your lifestyle. Choose a watch face that shows your most important information, like activity rings or upcoming appointments. Organize your app layout for quick access to your favorites. You can also adjust haptic feedback to a comfortable level, ensuring you feel alerts without them being too strong or too subtle. Taking a few minutes to customize these settings will significantly enhance your daily experience and make your Apple Watch truly yours. Your Apple Watch is a powerful health and fitness companion. Strive to close your move, exercise, and stand rings daily to meet your activity goals. The watch accurately tracks your heart rate, providing valuable insights into your cardiovascular health. Use the dedicated workout app for over a dozen different exercise types, from running to swimming, ensuring precise calorie and distance measurements. Remember to take a moment for mindful breathing sessions, which can be set for 1 minute or more, to reduce stress and improve focus throughout your busy day. Effectively managing notifications is key to a productive Apple Watch experience. Customize which apps send alerts to your wrist, preventing information overload. You can respond to messages instantly using your voice, by scribbling letters, or by selecting from a list of smart replies. Make and receive phone calls directly from your watch, offering incredible convenience when your phone isn't immediately accessible. For quick chats, the walkie-talkie feature allows for instant voice messages with contacts, making communication effortless and fun. To maximize your Apple Watch's utility, learn to manage its power and explore its full capabilities. Activating low power mode can extend your battery life by up to 36 hours on a full charge, perfect for longer days. Explore the App Store for thousands of useful third-party applications that enhance productivity or entertainment. Control your smart home devices, like lights or thermostats, directly from your wrist using HomeKit. Plus, make secure, contactless payments with Apple Pay, simply by double-clicking the side button and holding your watch near a reader.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.